This executive report outlines our strategic outlook and valuation forecast for Orbis Medicines from 2025 to 2030. We will analyze the company's unique approach to drug discovery, assess its market position and competitive landscape, and project key financial metrics to provide an estimated valuation range. For those unfamiliar with Orbis Medicines, it is a Danish biotech innovator pioneering the development of orally bioavailable macrocycle therapeutics through its proprietary nGen platform. Its pipeline consists of fully synthetic macrocycles, termed nCycles, designed to address targets previously considered undruggable or best targeted by biologics such as antibodies. By leveraging AI-driven design and automated chemistry, Orbis can explore vast chemical spaces to rapidly generate and optimize macrocycle candidates with high oral bioavailability and membrane permeability, overcoming limitations of traditional small molecules. In this section, we will examine the market niche and regulatory environment, technological advancements, patient adherence, and real-world evidence, as well as market access strategy that contribute to Orbis's competitive advantage and potential for success. The development of oral macrocycles by Orbis addresses an unmet need in the market, as many biologics, including oncology drugs, currently require parenteral administration, posing challenges to patient compliance and accessibility. By developing oral macrocycles that can modulate similar targets, Orbis offers a potentially more convenient and effective treatment option. Furthermore, the use of AI, particularly through Denmark's first AI supercomputer, Gefion, enhances Orbis' drug discovery capabilities, allowing them to explore previously inaccessible chemical spaces and accelerate the drug development process. Moreover, the company's focus on patient adherence and real-world evidence is crucial, as oral therapies generally lead to better patient adherence compared to injectables. Improved adherence can enhance clinical outcomes, potentially translating to increased quality, adjusted life years, QALYs, and favorable cost-benefit profiles. Orbis' strategy to leverage frameworks that facilitate concurrent submission and review of oncology products among international partners, such as the EMA and FDA, should expedite global approvals. Additionally, strategic partnerships such as the collaboration with Vivtex will enhance Orbis's capabilities in evaluating oral bioavailability, a critical aspect of macrocycle development. Now let's move on to the financial overview and valuation. Since its founding in 2017, Orbis has raised a total of 116 million euros, including a 90 million series round led by Novo Holdings and Forbion. With the funds, the company plans to advance multiple programs into the clinic and expand its R&D facilities in Copenhagen to support its growing pipeline. To forecast Orbis's valuation from 2025 to 2030, we make several assumptions about its lead candidates entering clinical trials in 2026, positive phase 2 results in 2028, and market approval and launch in 2030. Considering these assumptions along with projected peak sales, we estimate a risk-adjusted net present value, or NPV, of 500 to 700 million euros. This analysis incorporates the probabilities of success at each development stage and the impact of potential delays or failures. Based on these projections, we estimate that Orbis could reach a valuation of between 500 million and 700 million euros by 2030. This range provides a buffer to account for various risks and uncertainties inherent in the biotech industry. Looking ahead, we identify several catalysts that could drive Orbis's commercialization over the next 5 years. In the short term, we anticipate the initiation of first-in-human trials for its lead nCycle candidates in 2025, as well as the expansion of its R&D facilities in Copenhagen to support its growing pipeline. Midterm catalysts include the completion of phase 2 trials demonstrating the efficacy and safety of Orbis' oral macrocycle therapies, and the establishment of additional strategic partnerships for co-development and commercialization. Long-term catalysts include regulatory submissions and approvals in key markets such as the US, EU, and Japan, as well as the commercial launch of its first oral macrocycle therapy. In conclusion, Orbis Medicines is at the forefront of transforming macrocycle therapeutics by making them orally bioavailable, addressing significant unmet needs in patient care. Its proprietary nGen platform, coupled with the use of AI and the Gefion supercomputer, positions the company competitively in the biotech landscape. With a robust funding, strategic partnerships, and a clear roadmap to commercialization, Orbis is poised for substantial growth and value creation over the next 5 years. However, as with any investment, it's essential to conduct thorough research, consider the associated risks, and consult with a financial advisor before making any investment decisions.